Oh my God, I didn't expect. Malaki pala siya. So, ito pala yung in-order ko. Sobrang laki niya. So yeah, kakatapos lang namin magsimba. And we're going home. It's not too hot at this moment. So yes, pauwi na po kami. Ano ito nga yung simbahan namin. I'm glad na sumama sa akin si Ralph today. Nandun na si Max. Oh, sorry, babe. Sinaraduhan. Mas nauna pa ako. Bye! Ayun na, nauna na si Dudong Max doon. Kasama na si Ate Nin. Yeah. Kami na lang yung natira kasi nauna nang umuwi sila Ate Juvie at Kersey. So, have a nice Sunday, everyone! Sana maganda yung araw nyo. So, hindi namin alam kung saan pupunta after.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Te!
Max, gib mir mal deine Hand.
Let's go. Let's go, Maxie. Yeah, the small one need to walk. We're going home. We're going home. So, hello mga mi. Pauwi na kami. Galing kami sa simbahan. So, yeah, on the way home. Ay, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin today. So, what is our plan today? Are we going through the pool? So, thank God na sumama sa amin si Daddy Ralph for today's church. And yes, Max is here. Yeah, Mommy. Did you enjoy? Na? So, yeah, for now, kailangan namin bumalik sa simbahan dahil naiwan ni Daddy Ralph yung tumbler ni Max. Nalagay ng water. And as you can see, tulog na si Max ngayon. So, hello mga mi. Mag-unboxing tayo sa pasalubong ng aking kaibigan si Kersey. Galing nga pala ito sa Pinas. And then, kakarating lang din kasi niya. And yes, kakarating lang din namin sa bahay from church. So, ito nga pala yung dala niya. Chocolate! Thank you so much, Dai. Sa E4 and Indomie. May Indomie na naman ako dito. Pero thank you. May another stock na naman ako dito sa bahay. Just in case for emergency. And mango fry. Dried mango fry. Dried mango actually. Kasi gusto ko rin kainin yan. Ah, baka ito nasira. Ay, may butas na siya. Kinabersuni na yun ko saan to. So, dito niya ito binili. Para kay Max or ini sa akin din. And of course, uy, may ano din siya, gift. Ito, hair mask gift to. Pakapin. And actually, of course, nagpa-order nga din pala ako sa kanya ng sabon sa Pilipinas dahil nga, mas gusto ko pa rin yung sabon sa Pilipinas. Ito yung niacinamide. So, nagpa-order ako ng niacinamide sa kanya, sa Pinas. Kasi, marami to actually, 15 pieces. Pero parang kunti lang nadala niya kasi nilaka siya sa bag niya. Pang stock, alam mo yun, pang konsumo, ganun. So, akala ko malaki yung niacinamide na, no? Laman, maliit pala siya, no? So, ayan. Medyo marami-rami siya. And then, one lotion. Actually, buy one, take one to. Kasi isa lang yung nadala niya. Kasi nilaka siya sa bagahe. Tsaka, I don't know what is this. Thank you. Oy, may pa-short pa. O, diba? May pa-dress pa si Inday Kersey. Thank you, Day. Ang cute! Ah, panggala! Thank you! This is so cute. Oh. Ah, tsaka lastly, ito, hindi ko alam. Ito pang notion na niacinamide pa rin. Actually, nag-order din ako ng serum. Kaso lang, hindi na nga siya sa bagahe niya. So, hindi niya dala yung serum na buy one take one. Pero okay lang, thank you. Sa E4, thank you. Sukat ko to. Ang cute. Tapos naman ko siya. Fit ko yung style niya. Thank you so much. At least ito bagay din sa akin kasi malaki yung chan ko. So, stretchable din siya. So, ito lang. So, at least may sabon na akong magagamit dito. Kasi dito sa Germany, hindi ka makakabili ng mga Asian soap. Or kung meron man, through online, mga Pilipina din nagbibinta. Kaso lang, ang mahal. So, yeah. And thank you. And ito din, parang free ata to or sa kanya to galing. Thank you, Dai. Really appreciate it. So, ito, dito ko na siya ilalagay. So, and, yes, dried mango. Mamaya ko yan. Laklakin. And yung chocolate, ilagay ko siya sa freezer. Ano, sa fridge lang kasi medyo malambot siya. Natutunaw na ata to. So, ilagay ko siya dito. And dahil nga sa nabanggit ko kanina, bumalik kami sa church kasi nga naiwan ni Daddy Ralph yung tumbler ni Max na inumin ng tubig na iwan niya. Tapos pagdating namin doon, nasta kami doon sa mga ng isang oras ata or 2 oras. Tapos nakapagdala pa ako ng break house. Alam mo, galing doon sa simbahan kasi yung, syempre, pag mga Filipina talaga yung mga ano mo doon. Nagluluto sila ng pagkain. Tapos dahil may sobra, magpadala na rin siya sa akin ng rice at saka bihon. And chicken barbecue dito. So sa Daddy Ralph naman yung kakain nito mamaya. At least for dinner, hindi na ako mag-isip kung anong lulutuin namin. Diba? So, yeah. Thank you so much to you, Sherelle. So, ka-churchmate namin. So, thank you for inviting us for lunch. And for the other princess too. So, that's it for today. And then, yeah, for now, we need to take it up. And I don't know what our plan later on.
So, hello mga mi. Lalabas kami ngayon. At you can see, nag-change outfit ako. And I really love it. This is from Kersey. Thank you, Dai. Alam na alam mo talaga yung mga taste ko. I really like. So cute. Diba? Don't mind the background. We go for a walk. So, yeah. We're here for a walk. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, stroller yung dadalhin. Ito yung dinala dito. So yeah, dito lang kami sa aming place maglalakad-lakad. In a small town area. Because Daddy Ralph wished to have an ice cream today. And Max is duck. Matchy kami ng outfit to din ni Max. Hello. Outfit ni Buntis today. Sobrang bet na bet ko yung outfit. So, matching outfit kami ni Max. Hello. Yeah. So, kakauwi nga lang namin galing sa church, no? Tapos gusto sana namin magpahinga. Kaso lang, si Dodong Max ayaw matulog. So, ayun. Nilabas na lang namin. Kasi, para naman maliw siya sa labas. Hoy, what are you drinking? In order ni Daddy Ralph is spaghetti ice cream. What do you call for that ice cream?
Spaghetti ice.
Huh?
Spaghetti ice.
Spaghetti ice? Oh my God. First time ako nakakita ng ice cream na with pasta. That's the first time.
It's pasta?
Yeah, look at that. It's spaghetti. Right?
It looks like spaghetti.
Ah! I thought it's pasta with ice
Now they have a
cream.
machine and then it looks like it. They're doing this and it looks
Okay.
like spaghetti. Oh my goodness.
I feel confused. It looks like really fast down there. Look at that. See? So, ice cream pala siya lahat. Para kasi siyang pasta. Here I am. Thank you so much.
Kassieren, weil ich jetzt Schluss mache.
Oh my God. I didn't expect. Malaki pala siya. So, ito pala yung in-order ko. Sobrang laki
Können wir noch
niya.
Können Sie da
Oh
noch
my
einen
God.
Cappuccino annehmen? Just like.
So yeah, hindi ko in-expect na ganito pala kalaki yung in-order ko. Oh my God.
It's a kind of white raspberry. I don't know what is this.
Prutas lang kasi yung habol ko dito para kay Max. It's good. Ang daming prutas. So you can see, tatakpan na yung mukha ko. So, may mangga din pala siya. Medyo maasim.
Want you try?
Okay. ko. Babe, you need to help me with this, huh? Are you gonna use this? No. Max, you done? Oh my god, my bees. Hindi talaga ito maubos. Sobrang laki. Oh my god. I didn't expect.
They removes they had here on the lights.
Are you okay, Max? Alles good? Yummy? Yummy! Church clock. Mahirapan ako ubusin yung ice cream. Nagpapatulong na ako. Sobrang dami pa rin. Ubusog na ako. Oh my god. Prutas lang talaga habol ko dito sa ice cream para kay Dudong Max. Kaso lang, hindi pa rin kaya. Tapos ang asin ng mangga. Ito. That's apple.
When the fruits arrived in Europe, they arrived in a kind of distribution hubs like Rotterdam, like in Hamburg. And there,
And is that fresh?
and there are markets. Like my father went there then every week. I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 times. You know, where he went there with his truck. And then he was buying on these pallets, for example, banana, you know.
Oh, this is Max's favorite here. The water, huh? Babe, take him. Don't let him get wet again. Oh my God. So, ang ganda ng place dito. Yes, this is the area. Small town here. Nanguluhan dyan sa man, no? Oh, what is that? Ha? Ha? Yan yung gusto mo, ha? Supportive daddy po kayo ni isa. Babe, that's enough. He will not stop. Yeah. We go to the playground where we didn't been there before. At dito na nga nag-i-enjoy ng todo si Dodong Max, ha? Ito yung kagustuhan niya, yung maglalaro ng buhangin. Wala. In-ignore lang niya yung mga laruan niya. 9, Max! 9! No! Babe, he eat it! He eat it! Oh, this is a problem, ha? Okay, now. But do not eat, okay? Yeah, here. Here, look. Yeah, here. Yeah. Then, mommy, more. Put more. Put more, mommy. Iya, apa? Sarap. Oh my God. Iya? Yeah, give mommy. Thank you. You want to put here something? More, like that? Yeah. Come. You want to get out? Bataan niyo. Mahulog ka, Max. Oh my God. Years old, not for 1 man. Really? You look a giant there, you know, I'm so small. Look at your son, huh? He's not afraid to be falling down here. Oh my goodness, Maxi. Oh my God. Mahulog ka! Mahulog ka ba? Max. Harrison, stop it. Can you please go down? Can you please go down? Yeah, go down there. Go down there. You play there. Huh? Do not come up.
Oder halt so, guck mal Maxi, muss man das so machen? So. Und dann?
Yeah, here.
Wait.
Wow, look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that, Mama. Ooh. Yeah, which toilet?
Meine Cousine heißt.
Wait.
Meine Cousine.
Irgendwie.
Nag-enjoy na
Nerd.
naman si Dudong Max na mag-isa. 9, Max!
Ja, habe ich gerade gesehen, du hast ja schon Anfang Januar hattest du dir irgendwann die Karten verschickt, ne? Haben wir Geburtstag und am Sonntag wieder direkt zurück. Das ist
Harrison, what are you doing? Max, get up!
sie hatte gesagt, die Karten.
Ah, Mama! Hello! Come here!
Okay,
Maxi,
I
come!
just wanted to introduce
Ah! Look, see? So yeah, uwi na kami. Tapos na kami maglaro sa playground. Look at this face here, huh? Max? Are you tired? So let's go home. Ay nako. Bang klase ito pinaglaro si Dodong Max kasi kakainin niya yung buhangin doon. Hi Max! Hi! Did you enjoy? Ha? Did you enjoy eating the sand? O di kay ayo na. That's it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! At hanggang dito na nga lang mga mi. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye!